Hey everybody, so it's Travel with LA back with another video. So I hope you were able to see, but I am currently in New Orleans. I am staying at the Embassy Suites Convention Center. It's right over on 315 Julia Street. The room that I have this glorious evening is the Presidential Suite. So let me introduce you to the room, introduce you to the folks that I'm with, and then we could talk about some prices. Y'all know how this goes. Let's do this. The room is 211. All right now. So let me take y'all through the first part of the room. So we were just coming from there, so that's basically the hallway. They have like these very nice like blind shades area. This is the living room, right? So for this room, we can accommodate at least up to about 6 people in the room. We have a nice Samsung TV for my Samsung fans. We also have a nice plush pull-out couch, and it is really good. It is really good. The mattress is quite good, I must say myself. So I would definitely say if y'all have 6 people, come through, because when I talk about that price, you'll see why this makes sense. They also have this individual chair. They have a little kind of like foot stand area. This is, I think, a huge benefit for this room, right? So like, yeah, it could be like a conference kind of like table look, but it could also be like a dinner table for your family, for your friends to get together. So that's pretty cool. They have this cute mirror, right. They have this like really nice, like kind of looking like antique glass table. They have a microwave and a refrigerator in the room, so you know that's always a major plus. And you know, kind of like the regular setup. They have a nice full-length mirror. Let's come to the bathroom. Y'all know my bathroom is my favorite part always, anytime I take y'all through. So now with Embassy, I think they don't do too much for their bathroom, but I think it's always just enough, right? Like this light kind of creates a really nice setting for the bathroom, which is always great. The shower head is actually really like awesome. It's super powered. I kind of like really hate low powered like showers. Bathtub is like relatively clean, and so everything there seems like a pretty good setup, pretty decent for the most part. They have a closet, you know, with the essential stuff. Extra pillow. They have hangers. They have a little safe. They have the iron board and all the other good stuff. So I mean, they're pretty relatively good for the most part. So let me introduce you to the first person. So this is Laura, y'all. Say hi, boo.
How are you?
Good. So she is one of the beautiful members that came with me and blessed me on this trip. She is definitely my creative soul sister. She for sure. For sure. I love her. Let me take y'all now to the bed scene, right? So this is like the bed setup. I believe this is either full size or queen. I know it's not a king, but let me tell y'all, this bed, let me tell y'all, it is such a soft, cushiony bed. Like, it is so soft. I definitely think, well, one, for sure, this room can accommodate 4 people in this room because the beds are huge. Then we have another Samsung TV, well, you know, your standard dresser drawer and stuff like that. So yeah, for the most part. And now let me take y'all to the favorite part, right? So we have a balcony, y'all. And on this balcony, let me introduce y'all one of my fave. Yes. So let me introduce y'all. So this is Mr. Simeon. Can y'all say hi, people? Can we say hi? Can we get some of that good lighting right there? There we go. All right now. So he is another beautiful person that decided to accompany me on this trip. Yes. So this is our trip. All right, so let me take y'all through. So one, I'm turning 25 this week, September 7th. So for sure, like, this is like, I really appreciate everyone coming out and just like celebrating with the kid and coming out. Also too, this is kind of during hurricane weather season, so we're here during the hurricane, but you know what, we're good money. we're gonna be good because we're always protected. So let me now get to that price for y'all. So this room in total costs relatively towards, like, it's between like the mid 5s going towards the higher 600s, but we're here for 5 days. So let me repeat that again, right? Like, it's the mid 5s, higher maybe towards the 6s, but not touching the 6, and we're here for 5 days, and that's split between 3 people. So in total for everybody, that's about $188 per person for an entire week, and we get free breakfast every morning. So, and we have, oh, I'm forgetting the best part. There we go. I was just about to say, happy hour. And we get happy hour. Like, it's happy hour from 5:30 to 7:30 every single day.
Free,
they have
baby.
Free
99.
Free. Free. Like, it is completely free. So it's a place where I think you could either come with your friends, you could come with family, you could come with kids, you could come without kids, you could come with a bachelorette. It's a multitude of things you could do at this one spot. And just to mention though, we're like 6 blocks from like Bourbon Street, we're from the French Quarter, like we're in a really good area. Like, there's restaurants all around us, there is bars all around us. We have a multitude of things that we could do out here, which we are gonna do, and I'll be recording that and like put up that video later. But of course I have to take y'all through the room. So with that being said, my video is coming to a beautiful end because we are going to come out and celebrate, and I don't have time to just be recording all day. So thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Y'all know where that button's at. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and you already know I'll answer it. Have a great week, y'all, because I know I will.